Yes.
Whereby we are incorporating both brickwork and blockwork.
Okay.
We do the incorporation of brickwork in particular areas, probably where we need to do some work where that requires a lot of heat at this particular point.
Oh, okay.
So the brickwork is acting as a thermo-insulation component, and at the same time is acting as a cladding, which is a decorative feature, which saves the cost both on the walling and doing the cladding at the same time, whereby everyone has to do it. We are already there.
We used to write exams in papers about this. Now we change. Instead of writing it on paper, you come here and do it.
Your Excellency, we even have the judge for this assessment, and he has a checklist in which he looks at the key areas, and then now from there you can tell whether one is competent or not yet.
You know, for the other people, whoever Kakusha, you know, in the past, somebody like Mr. Juma, somebody like Mr. Juma may not be very good in English, you know, but he is good in this. So in the past, he used to write an exam in English, and maybe he failed, but he failed the wrong exam. Because he didn't come to learn English, you know, he came to learn this skill. So that is why we are changing from writing it on paper but to doing it. So this practical thing, you can do it in any language. You don't have to understand so much English, you just have to do this thing. So that is really the transformation we are. Sindio your boss? Yes, sir. So hata kama Kiingereza iko namna hii Wana unajua kufanya hii.
Decided to make a height adjustable crane which will be lifting materials maybe from a lower level to a higher level, like maybe from the ground level to the first floor. And also during the construction of the mason, unaweza muinulia mawe kutoka chini up to the level with this without any worry of any accident. And also the other thing with this machine is that you see it is electric power, and it is using the motor power. So the other thing, in case of power breaking, we can back up using the solar power, and that is energy that you can find it anywhere. And it is also affordable because us as the young people, we need to start somewhere. There are other big machines that are used there in the industries, and us as the young people, when you tunaingia kwa hiyo industry, you see sometimes it is